Dude, why is it raining? I thought it said sunny all day.
It's probably just an error in the forecasting system. You know, chaos
What in the
theory.
world is that?
Chaos theory. It's the study of deterministic chaos. Systems that seem random but are actually deterministic. A deterministic system follows rules and physical laws, meaning its behavior is not completely random. And chaotic systems are also interdisciplinary because they involve math, science, and physics. And these are extremely sensitive to tiny changes in their initial conditions. Even a microscopic change at the beginning of a system could lead to very different results later on.
No way. Chaos is just pure chance.
Actually, this theory proves that chaos isn't pure chance. The problem is that chaotic systems are non-linear, so small changes don't always mean small effects. Like a metaphor for this could be a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil could cause a tornado in Texas.
So then what does this have to do with real?
Well, chaos theory was discovered in the 1960s by Edward Lorenz. While running computer weather simulations, Edward rounded the number from 0.506127 to 0.506. And the difference was obviously really small, but over time the computer generated a completely different weather forecast, and it was the beginning of the butterfly effect. These equations, also known as the Lorentz system, were developed to model atmospheric motion and chaotic behavior in weather systems. And although these equations follow precise mathematical laws, their outcome becomes increasingly harder to predict over time because of the uncertainty. And the Lorentz equations also produce a pattern called a strange attractor, which is a shape in phase space that the system's behavior is drawn to, but never exactly repeats. And they also often have a fractal structure.
Chaotic behavior exists in many aspects of real life as well. Weather is probably the best example. People today use chaos theory to improve weather predictions by understanding uncertainty of the atmospheric system. Scientists use things like math models and simulations to study these patterns. However, even with modern technology, scientists are still learning more and more about chaos theory and weather forecasting.